So from onwards, we are going to enter important matters like this. First we are going to know about the definition, right? The definition of fashion is, we have a lot of definitions in textbooks, but we have to follow any one of them. Okay, that's up to you. But one thing is there, when we write when we write a definition for our exams, it should be clear as in textbook. Okay, okay, you can choose any one of the definition, no problem. Okay, you have to choose any one of the definition, but it should be clear as textbook. Okay, okay. Here, before that, the word fashion is derived from the Latin word facier. Note down that point, facier. F-A-C-E-R-E, facier. The R is silent. It means to make or to do. To make or to do. Sri Lakshmi wants to hear. Sri Lakshmi. I think there is a problem to admit here. Okay. Okay. So our first unit is overview of fashion. In overview of fashion, first one is the introduction and definition. Introduction already we covered. And the next is definition. The definition of fashion is here. Fashion is a style. Fashion is a, tell me. Fashion, hello?
Style.
Fashion is a style that is popular in the present time, or a set of trends which have been accepted by a wide audience. Wide audience. As I said before in roughly in introduction part, societal acceptance. That is same to you, that is same wide audience. Clear? That is same as wide audience. But we can't choose the societal acceptance because we have to write the definition as in textbook. Okay. So fashion is a style. So by heart this definition, or anyone up to you. Okay. Fashion is a style that is popular in the present time. Tell me. Read this. Sana. Can you read this?
Fashion is a style that is
popular
in the present
time, or a set of trends which have been accepted by a wide audience. Is it clear? Okay. Okay. Then, fashion is a constant one. True or false? What do you think? Fashion is a constant one. Raina, true or false? Fashion is a constant one.
Is done done by an individual.
Just tell me true or false. Just tell me true or false. Fashion is a constant one.
True.
True. Fashion is constant?
False.
Oh, true or false? Okay.
False.
Okay, I will tell you. Fashion is not constant. It always changing. It always changing according to some factors. It always changing according to some factors. So we are just moving to the factors. There are 8 factors are here. It's very important. It's an essay question. So just read this. Sana, just read this.
Economic factors.
Yes, economic factors. Psychological factors. Social factors.
Cultural factors.
Cultural factors.
Political factors.
Yes, political factors.
historical factors,
Historical factors,
geographical factors,
geographical factors, and the last one is
technological factors.
technological factors. So these 8 factors are important, but another 2 points should be included in the introduction section when we write about the essay. Okay, I will tell you after that. I will tell you after this. So the human mind is an introduction part. The human mind becomes too bored. The human mind tends to become bored that available within the available goods and products. Human minds tends to become bored with the available goods and services and always search for a new thing and always search for a novelty. Novelty means new. It causes a demand for newer products. It causes a demand for newer products. Then what will happen? Then what will happen?
New
Like,
product appear.
yes,
New
fashion forms fashion. It forms fashion. Fashion become then trends. When we accept or societal preferences is occurred, then fashion become trend. Okay. So here, for an example, okay, tell me an example, your idea. The human, for that, human minds tends to become bored with the available goods and services. They seeks for they seeks for newer products, right? For an example, tell me an example right now. That may be a product, that may be clothes, that may be product, anything you can tell me.
The
Just share your idea.
like the different types of model fonts and clothes, different design.
Did you read textbook?
No.
No. Okay. In textbooks, this is the example. That is, okay, mobile phone is okay. It's a very common example. Take a mobile phone. In ancient times, mobile phone was used as used only for texting messages and for call option, right? But nowadays, we have Android phones, touch phones, many more inbuilt functions. The designer companies made the phones with inbuilt functions, right? Okay, the next example, Sana, tell me the next example. Share your idea. Like mobile phones were. Mobile phones is okay. The next one is
New types of vehicles.
yes,
Cars.
vehicles. Then Raina,
Furniture.
furniture.
Um,
Furniture. Then
then clothes, like shoes, bag,
pardon.
shoes, bags, and all.
Okay, shoes, bags. I think there's a conversion. There should be a conversion. There should be a conversion. Item should be a conversion. Bags. Should there is a conversion? Is there any conversion from one thing to another? No. There's only a model change, right? Okay. Okay, it's enough. So the fashion is inspired by and a response to Zeitgeist. I think it's new word for you. Zeitgeist. The spelling is Z-E-I-T, no down. Z-E-I-T Geist. Zeitgeist. That means spirit of the time. Spirit of the times. Spirit of the times is a phrase, as I said before. Did you remember that? Spirit of the time or spirit of the age. Did you remember that? I will tell you, I will explain later. Did you remember? Spirit of the time? No. Okay. Fashion is inspired by and responds to Zeitgeist. Zeitgeist is actually a German word. Zeit means time. Geist means ghost or spirit. Okay? So it's combined together gives Zeitgeist. Understood? It means spirit of the time. Then what do you mean by spirit of the time? It means it's a set of ideas, sets of thoughts, set of beliefs, and set of aims. It's a set of ideas, beliefs, set of thoughts, and that is typical for a period of time. That is typical for a particular period of time. Simply it means as a designer, we have to be up to date. As a designer, we have to be up to date with the situation. Is it clear? Is it clear right now? Okay. We have to up to date ourselves. Then the events like political events and fashion shows, award ceremonies, then national and international games like Olympics and Commonwealth games like IPL cricket that affect the fashion industry or that affect the design of the fashion or affect the design of the clothes. Okay? For example, can you tell me an example? In which way that affect the fashion? I mean fashion award ceremony, political events. I said many more examples here. Fashion award ceremony, IPL cricket. In which way that affect the fashion? Any idea? Any idea? No idea. During the IPL cricket time, the fans wear the t-shirts with their popular or they like the teams. The t-shirt with the team's name. Did you see? Team's name. They wear the t-shirts with the name of. Come on.
Teams.
Yeah, teams. That is one example. The next. Just imagine. Anything. Just imagine. Whether it is right or wrong, just respond me.
In fashion events,
Fashion events.
they were like if it's sari theme, they will be in different states. In India, different states we have different types of saris, so they will wear representing that particular state.
Okay, not bad. Then I meant the special events. IPL cricket, during the event, that means like IPL cricket, they affect the fashion, right? I meant here that is related to the fashion. That should be related. So take another example. A very well-known fashion designer, international fashion designer, Joy Mitra, in 2011, in 115th birth anniversary of Rabindranath Tagore, the Nobel laureate, handwriting was used as a reference for a print, a stylized print. A stylized print. Okay, did you get? Got it, okay? Raina? Got it? Okay, this is the example. related to this. Okay. So here Joy Mitra take an event or take an incident to express the fashion. Okay. Okay. So these dominating events, dominating means influencing events like political events, fashion shows, fashion award ceremonies, international and national games like Olympics, and what else? Commonwealth programs like IPL cricket that affect the fashion. Okay, the next, the famous celebrities and the people with wealth and power, and then musicians and the musicians and sports persons, they have high power, or they have high visibility in media, right? So when they see through the medias, like interviews, like movies, like TV serials, when they see, we noticed their costumes, or we noticed their accessories, right? Then what will happen? Then what will happen? We wish to be like them, right? We wish to be like them, or we approach the designs for the designer, to the designers, right? We approach the designers for, come on.
Making the same as.
Making the same accessories or making the same outfits, right? Okay. That is the influence of celebrities. That is the influence of celebrities. So here we discussed about 2 points, like dominating events and influence of celebrities. These 2 points are must included in the introduction section when we write in essay. Okay. So the main factors are the 8. Main factors are 8. First one is economical factors. Economical factors. Then Sana. Then economical factors. Next, psychological factors. Did you remember? Tell me.
Technological factors.
Technological factors.
Then psychological factors.
Psychological factors. That is already.
Then
Social factors, geographical factors, political factors, geographical factors, historical factors. Okay. So first one is economical factors. The fashion reflects our national or national state economy. Fashion affects our state's economy. In which way? Whether it is in beyond or recession time. Beyond, I think it's new word for you. Beyond. Did you heard about beyond? Beyond means it's a economic activity. It's economic activity, the rising period of economic activity. That is beyond period. Rising economical activity. It's a rising period of economical activity beyond. Okay. The next word is recession. Recession means reduced. It's just an opposite. Just opposite to beyond section. What will be? Meghna? In recession time? Reduced economical activity. There is a reduced economical activity. Right. So, whether it is in beyond or recession time, fashion reflects our national economy. Okay. National state of economy. Okay. Okay. In recession time, there's a situation, value for money. It's a phrase, value for money. That means we have no so much money for purchasing an item, right? We have no much more money. So then what will happen? That affect the fashion. It's affect the demand for classic items. Classic items means first class items. Classic items. Okay, sir. So that affect the demand for classic items. Is it clear? Is it clear, Reina? Okay. Okay, then in Bion period, there is a economy is thriving. Thriving means economical activities
increasing.
peak in value, right? It's in peak level. Then it leads to innovation of new products and fast moving consumer goods. Fast moving consumer goods, innovation and fast moving consumer goods. It's abbreviation from FMCG, fast moving consumer goods. So in both these period, fashion affect the national state of economy. Clear? Is there any doubt? I'm sharing screen. Economic factors. There's two situation, Bion and recession. Bion means what? Magna?
Increasing economic activity.
Increasing economical activity. Then what happened?
Then our innovation and the fast moving
Consumer goods. Right.
figures.
Right. Okay. Then Raina?
Ma'am,
Recession. What do you mean by recession?
Cutting down the value,
Pardon?
decreasing the value,
Decreasing the value or decreasing the economical activity.
decreasing economic activity.
Then there is a problem with value for money. Then there is a situation, value for money. Then what happened? It will decrease the demand for what? Come on, tell me.
Classic product.
Classical items. Okay, classic items. Classical, not classical, classic items. That means first class items. Okay. Okay, then
ma'am,
psychological factors. We are moving to psychological factors. So I think economic.
share.
Yes. Okay.
You have shared.
Okay.
Ma'am, you haven't shared the screen.
Okay. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to stop share. Okay. Then we are moving next. What? Psychological factors, right? In psychological factors, psychology has played a crucial role in fashion. In this, how we view ourselves and others. How we view ourselves and others. That we talk about here. Okay. These psychological factors is happening or affecting in three ways. In three ways. The first one is duality of fashion. First one is duality of fashion. The second one is freedom within social norms. The next, endless search for novelty. You can see in the screen. Just note down 3 points. Duality of fashion, freedom within social norms, endless search for novelty. The first one is duality of fashion. The name says due. Du means two. So 2 points are very important here. That is personal style and public image. Fashion can express the personal style and public image of an individual. Personal style, personal style and what?
Public image.
Public image of an individual. Fashion reflect or fashion can express public image and personal style of an individual, and also it can form social norms of dress codes, social norms of the dress codes, and also allow the individual to create identity. Here I'm saying about the duality of fashion. In these 2 points are very important. That is personal style and public image of an individual. Fashion can express a personal image, style and the public image of an individual, and also it can express social norms of the dress codes and allow the creation of an individual identity. For an example, we can take the example of uniforms. When we see a student in uniforms, what we will know? Okay, it's a
Students.
student, right? It's a student. That is public, that is public image. That's an example of what? Public image, right? That's an example of public image. Then personal style. We can choose a uniform, or we can wear the uniforms according to our fit. That means we can choose the length, right? We can choose the loose. We can choose any of the model. That means pockets, like pockets, collars, like that. Okay, so it is the personal style. So fashion can choose the fashion can express the personal style and public image of an individual. At the same time, it shows both, right? Here it is, the uniforms that shows duality of fashion. Which are they? Which are they? Hello, can you hear me?
Ma'am,
Meghna. When we
you
see,
have
we can see
ma'am, you have shared the script.
public image and personal style, right? Then we go to the point freedom within social norms. Freedom within social norms. Freedom within social norms. Fashion allows individual to express. Fashion allows individual to express individuality within the social norms. We live in society, right? We have to follow the social norms. Is it clear? We have to follow the social norms because we live in society. But fashion says, fashion express, or fashion allows an individual to express our individuality. That means, Raina, where are you? Raina, Sana. Okay, Raina is okay. Sana, where are you? Your video is off. Okay. So, fashion allows an individual to recreate what? Or to create or express individuality within the social norms without a peer pressure. Peer pressure. Peer means what?
Friends.
Belongs belongs to same group. Belongs to your same group or friends. So without any societal pressure, without any peer pressure, fashion allows you to wear anything that is within social norms. That means according to your gender, you can wear any model dresses that fashion allows you. Okay. Within the social norms, we can wear according to gender any dresses. Any dresses we can wear. Okay. The ladies or girls can choose the sarees, churidars, salwar kameez, anything, any model. Okay. For men's, we can choose their models that according to the gender wise. Okay. So the next point, do you remember the next point? We already studied duality of fashion. Then what? Freedom within the social norms. Freedom within the social norms. The next is what? Next is what?
Free.
Come on, Sana, come on. Come on. Time is going, come on. The human minds too. Come on. Human minds tends to become bored. Human minds tends to become bored with available goods and services. Okay. You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
It's very important. It's an essay question. We are exam oriented. Okay. So just listen here. Okay. So now we are winding up this period. Just go through these points. I will ask you next time. Okay. 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 See you. See you at the next period. Bye.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you for your cooperation.